I love this time of day. The sun is like sun kissing everywhere, and it's just so beautiful. You just have to stop and just look sometimes. It's really, really nice. And I have been unhinged with the Christmas decor lately. I have been shopping like crazy, Home Sense, Marshalls, everything, you name it. And I am doing the Grinch Christmas theme. So this is what we're doing. Anyways, let's get into our tutorial. So this is the Microsoft Bing software where we are going to do all of our image generation. So this is owned by Microsoft, who also owns the search engine Bing, who also has the chat generator like ChatGPT with Bing. Now, the image generator is powered by DAL E3 and is currently in preview right now, as I'm sure they're trying to figure out what kind of plan and paid version that's going to come probably in the near future. So there's some stuff that's a little wonky with this image generator, but it's still really good for you to practice and, get the hang of how to prompt the image generator. So in order to get to this website, you're going to go to bing.com/create. It's going to bring you right here. You're going to go to join and create. So this is where you're going to put your password in. So if you have a Microsoft email, then you would use this. So you're going to enter your password here. And again, this is whatever Microsoft account password you have, and you're going to sign in that way. I'm saving my password. I know my husband would kill me. He would say you shouldn't be saving it because you never know if someone gets into your account. Anywho, so now here is the main page and your account. So again, this is Microsoft Bing, and here are all the images that are created in the community. This is also a good learning experience because you can actually see what prompt they use. Now, I do believe that all your stuff is visible because this is not a paid program. So your ideas, everything is out there. So, I mean, it is what it is, but this is good for you to practice. Okay. So you can probably go through here and just, see what kind of ideas are out there that you can practice with and learn from and how to generate. So as you can see, there's credits here. So I'm not entirely sure how these work, but I think that with Microsoft, you can gain credits for searching using the search engine, playing games and stuff. So I'm wondering if in the future that you can actually redeem for rewards for your your fast coins over here. So these are the fast coins over here. So they used to be giving 100 fast coins a day when it first came out. I was going through them like crazy. But then of course they changed that. So it went down to 50 and now I only get 15 a day, which is fine. So you can have the credits just so it goes faster. But honestly, sometimes it doesn't even matter because there's so much people on the platform that your fast credits don't mean anything. So right now we're getting into a busy time, like between like 5 and 9 is when everybody's coming off of work. It's really busy, so it's going to be slow. So we're going to type in what we want to say. So you could do surprise me and it will just create something for you if you just want to just play around. Or if you have a prompt in mind, you would put create. So what I'm planning to do is I want to make some stickers. So I've made this type of sticker before because I can't draw for like the life of me. So anyway, it was a lot of prompts that it took me to in order to get this one, but flat illustration of a beautiful African American girl wearing, I'm going to say box braids. I think I'm going to put puffer jacket and hoodie. So we're going to go and press create and it's going to use our credit. So we're going to press create. So now it looks like it's not that busy. So it's going to go a little bit faster, but it's still kind of slow in my opinion. I also use this off of my computer as well. I mean, my cell phone. So these are pretty cute images. Great for stickers for your digital stickers. using AI and image generators for your stickers. That's pretty cute. So I decided, you know what, let's take it one step further and let us do a faceless, because, the faceless portraits were a huge hit. I don't know if they still are. I personally love them. So let's do faceless. We're going to do create generation, and it's going to take some time. Well, anyways, how's the weather? How's everybody doing? It's going to snow soon where I am, and I'm not looking forward to it. So we got some interesting images. I don't love them. That looks horrible. That looks all right. It's missing something. So I said, you know what? Let me type in something else here. So let's try and put like NYC hat. Mind you, NYC, the actual logo, did come up for me previously. And of course, it is copyright infringement because there is an actual logo. But this one that we're going to put now is going to show up like that. So also, you're going to see that I got more credits for playing with the image generator. Anyway, this is really, really nice. And it looks like it's taking place in NYC. So we're going to go ahead and save. So anytime you click them, you would save the image. And if you don't save the images, you will lose them. So if there's something that you like, just keep saving them. Just have them and just save them. Otherwise, even though they show on the right hand side there, they're not staying there. Okay. Just make sure you save them, because I've lost a lot of stuff that I really liked out of practice, and I had to go and try to redo them again. So I think these are so cute. So I said, let's change the hat. And I'm like, let's try and do like maybe a beanie or something like that. I just couldn't figure out the word for some reason. Like, I'm like, winter hat, NYC hat. I just couldn't figure it out. So it took me some time here where I was trying to figure it out. So now we have our cute NYC girl with her hoodie. So we're going to save some of those. And if I had a digital planner, I would be making all sorts of stickers for this type of thing. Like, I would be making so much stuff. So I'm deleting it now, and I'm going to... Actually, no, sorry. I'm going to add for stickers, and I'm going to show you what it does. Just a simple change in an AI prompt will give you a totally different result. So look at this. In the first picture, we now have stickers. All you have to do is cut this. And if you had a Cricut, that will be perfect to turn into a sticker for your actual physical planner. Like, that is so cute. And if I don't understand why people are not jumping on this. It's just so crazy to me how much stuff you can do, how much customization you can do. And I think it's actually pretty cool. So let's go to the side here. And I just want to show you what some of the stuff I created. So this is just like, wedding hair. I was just playing around and just seeing what I could do and seeing, this is so cute. I just also want to show you how prompts can get blocked. So they're also testing to see what prompts they don't want to show up. And you'd be shocked. Like, some of the words that they don't allow is very weird to me. Anyway, so some other wedding hair, and it's just pretty cool. Like, I have a lot of stuff saved on here, and you can definitely make a lot of interesting items. I should actually create a digital planner and add these to my digital planner. Anyway, so as you can tell that I used up a lot of my lightning bolts. So if I, want fast track after these and they've been used up, then, it's going to take a little bit longer. So I like Monstera plans, and I like to have those kind of stickers, and, you could put them in your planner and stuff like that. And I think that would be so cute. So I just wanted to make that. But I just realized that I put monster plants. So you see what I'm saying? I mean, if you're into monster plants, there you go. You can use that for your, whatever you want to create. So I changed the prompt and I got my Monstera plant, and they essentially made it into stickers. So you can put that through your Cricut, print and cut, And look at that. You have your own stickers for your planner, or you could use Photopea and separate all these images. And there's so much endless possibilities. So if you want to see more of this type of content, if you like this kind of stuff, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, ask me any questions. Talk to you soon. Bye.